now move on and shift our focus to Maharashtra. Major breakthrough in the TET paper leak investigation. Thane police have arrested Suman Kumari, the wife of the alleged mastermind Vijendra Kumar Gupta from Patna. While Gupta remains absconding, his wife has now been taken into custody as the probe intensifies. Times Now has also accessed an exclusive photograph of the absconding kingpin along with his arrested wife. And that is the picture that I'm talking about that you can see on your screens right now. Let's go across to my colleague Rucha, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Rucha, tell us a little bit more about the investigation. The point really is that alleged kingpin's wife has been taken into custody, but where is the mastermind Vijendra Kumar Gupta?
Well, this is a major breakthrough for Thane police in the entire investigation. Until now, 3 arrests were made, and now the 4th arrest is coming to light, where a team of Thane police had gone to the Patna, Bihar, and has arrested the wife of the alleged mastermind. Now, when the 3 accused were being interrogated, they first revealed that it is Vijendra Gupta who is behind all the TET paper leak, and who is not just operating this one paper leak, but has been involved in several examination paper leaks. So this is one of the major breakthrough, that to reach out to Vijendra Gupta, the police have first arrested his wife, who is also likely to have some connections with the gang operating nationwide. And this is not just about the Maharashtra's teachers exam, but several other examinations are also said to be victim or can be the reason. These people are the reason that have led to paper leaks in several other examinations also. And to nab others as well, there are 2 more people absconding, Vijendra Gupta and one more person, Dahiya, is absconding in this matter, who are alleged mastermind. And the people who are currently under custody of Thane police came from Patna, Bihar, then Agra, and several other locations like Haryana. So this is not just a gang operating in Maharashtra, but across nation there are several other people also who are linked to this. And as we got to know from our sources, that the first photocopy was taken in Delhi, in Agra, Noida, and after that it was brought here. So there are other people. There's a big chain of this gang which is operating, and the police caught them red-handed, and while they were trying to sell the question paper, the police nabbed them on the Thane-Nashik highway. But this, today's arrest is one of the major breakthrough which will very soon lead to the mastermind of this entire TET paper leak case.
Right. Rucha, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your input on the story. But the details that have emerged also tell you viewers a little bit about how this particular gang was allegedly operating. They had promised the students that they'll be showing the paper on video call only. The FIR has named 5 accused in this leak case so far. It's a 1.5 crore deal that we are talking about, and also 25 lakh rupees was demanded by these alleged masterminds and all those who were involved in the paper leak. Rucha, thank you for the moment for joining us.